how to find the IMEI number on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on about phone. Next, in here, if you go down, there will be information about IMEI number. But if you tap on status information, you can also find IMEI information in here. So IMEI SIM card, IMEI SV SIM card, IMEI available as a IMEI eSIM. So you can eSIM IMEI number. Another way to find it is to open up the phone application and you can put in this special code, asterisk, the pound key, 06 and the pound key. And in here you can find your IMEI number as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.